Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. Today we have another wig reinstall. So I'm just going to start off by spraying even spray on my cap. This is the first time me using this spray. I usually use Got To Be Glue, but I see all the hairstylists use this, so I just tried this out. It worked pretty good and it smells really good, so that's a plus. I'm blow drying the cap on warm heat, medium fan until it feels dry and kind of sticky. I'm putting a layer of my Ghost Bond glue around the perimeter of the cap. I see hairstylists do this, so I'm just trying to take all their little tips that they be having. Self-explanatory, but I'm just gonna cut off the cap and peel it back as close to my hairline as I can because I have a small or normal size forehead, so I don't want the wig sitting too low. But peeling back is probably one of the most uncomfortable parts of this process. After the sweatband, y'all know that sweatband just you feel like you finna pass out having it on too tight. I'm using my Ruby Kisses powder. I should have got the cream, but I have like the powder form of it. But I'm just going to put that on the cap. I got a little bit too much, that's why I made that face. But after this clip, I'm going to be using a lace spray. I got it in the color medium dark brown. I feel like the spray might have been a little bit too dark. I probably could have went up a shade. But y'all will see that in the next clip. When I first started using this, the spray was just spraying out the bottom and the stuff got on the floor and on my shirt. Like, look at the can. Yeah, but I figured out how to use it without making a mess. But now I'm just gonna start laying down my cap. So I'm going in with my Ghost Bond glue. I'm just gonna put that around the perimeter of my head and then smooth out the glue, let it dry, and then put on another layer. I think in total I did 3 layers. I think the reason the lace tint looked too dark is because I sprayed too much of it. I think that's where I went wrong, and I already had makeup from the powder I put on there, so maybe that's where I went wrong. But I'm just going to spray the lace tint into the wig and get ready to put it on. Now, this wig, it's a good wig, but it's just a little bit too small for my head, and I already have like a smaller head or whatever, but like this wig was like real tight, so I had to like fiddle with it and figure out how to lay it down onto my head. So I don't know how this is finna turn out. I think my lace spray that I got might be a little bit too dark for me. Or maybe it's just like, it has like a red undertone, so it just makes it look so dark. This wig is a little bit small for my head. And, I don't know. we're gonna see how this turns out. This is such a good wig. Like, I love how thick it is, but wow, dense. I'm using my sweatband to let the lace melt some more into my skin. And while I'm doing that, I'm just gonna begin styling the hair. So I'm gonna just go through, straighten it real quick, and then curl it. I'm trying to define my part out a little bit more. I should have got me some black spray. But after this, I'm going to just go through and hot comb the hair down so it doesn't have like a lump. Alright, y'all. So, for one, I feel like the lace tint I used might not have been a good match. Maybe a shade lighter. I think it, you know how your scalp is kind of lighter than your face. So I think a shade lighter. I did put a little bit of makeup in it to define the part. With the placement, like I put it like it's too far to my right. I should have moved it just a little bit. But does it look like the part is in the middle? I think it does. Even though it looked like it was off center because my ear tab is kind of covering my ear a little bit, but I think it does look centered though. But y'all let me know. And I put the glue too far down, so it's kind of like crummy. I did put some more like makeup over it so it's not like white looking, but I mean, yeah, I did what I could do. Next time I'm just gonna use do my regular routine. It's just to make sure. I'm gonna just put the glue just on the cap and not on yeah, just on the cap and not put it on my forehead, because my forehead is so small, so I try to put it as close to my hairline as I can. But yeah, I'm gonna just start just putting it on the cap, because half the time I don't put the wig over the line where I had the glue, and then the hair sticks down and then it dries all weird and it's like discolored. So yeah, I don't know. I like how I curled this side. I probably need to recurl this side so it's like higher how this is. But I don't know. I don't know if I should put edges on this or what. I kind of like the no edges look, but it's just so much going on. It probably needed edges. I really don't feel like doing all that, so I don't know. We're just gonna leave it here probably. It kind of looks lighter in person. I mean, not in person, but it looks lighter on camera because of the ring light. But or maybe I should spray some more of that that lace spray to darken it up a little bit. I think I curled this wrong because it's going inward. Alright, y'all, so I just like curled the front and tried to make the little hump thing. But that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if y'all have any tips what I could have did differently. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.